Okay, it's your boy Nick Woodgrains, aka Nick on the Grind. Got a new package today from Surge Audio. It's my Surge Audio 7K. Here it is. I'm gonna let my daughter hold the phone while I open it. Box reveal. What we got here? Got a nice lanyard. Yep. Surge Audio decals. Box in a box. There she is. This is my 7K. Box. Cat 5 cable, bass knob. Amp setting tool. All the Allen wrenches I need. Oh yeah, the bass knob. I use my own RCA style bass knob, but I will use this for the clip light. Metal. Very, very nice. Voltage, power, temperature. Very nice. And then here's this bad baby. Yes, sir. And look at the back. Clear bottom. Got the plexi back plate. She is a beaut. Heavy. Dual inputs. Positive, negative. Tiffany style RCAs. There she is. She is a beast. Now it's time to go hook it up. Stay tuned. Nick on the Grind out.